Let's start by collecting all the ingredients for the coconut chutney. We have cilantro, tamarind juice, grated coconut, roasted chickpeas, curry leaves, ginger, green chilies, and for the TADKA we have mustard seeds, hing, and urad. It's important to place the ingredients into the blender bowl in the correct order. Start with the green chilies and the ginger. Then add the roasted chickpeas and the coconut. Finally, pour in the tamarind juice and all of the chopped cilantro. To aid the blending process, we're going to add half a cup of water and half a teaspoon of salt. Blend all the ingredients into a smooth consistency, adding water if needed, and scraping down the sides to ensure all the ingredients are well blended. This wonderful chutney should be a nice bright green with a smooth consistency. Decant the chutney into your serving dish. Now let's prepare the TADKA for the coconut chutney. Heat a couple of teaspoons of oil in a small pan. Add the powdered hing. Add the mustard seeds. Now add the urad dhal and the curry leaves. And be sure to cover this with a splatter screen, since the mustard seeds do tend to pop everywhere. Your TADKA is ready once your urad is a beautiful golden color. Remove the pan from the heat and pour the ingredients all over the chutney. This beautiful green cilantro coconut chutney is perfect with rotis, with naan, idlis, dosas, rice, and even spread on toast. Try it out and let us know how it turned out for you.